You are going to love the 2019 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.